In this video, I will show you what tools and materials I consider essential for foundation paper piecing. Cutting mat. Copy and foundation paper. Fabrics. Rotary cutter. Pins. Wonder clips. Thread. Add a quarter and add an 8 rulers. Quilt ruler. Seam ripper. Paper and fabric scissors. Fabric glue or water-based school glue sticks. Tweezers. A piece of cardboard or a card. Wool pressing mat, iron and tailor's clapper. Walking foot or an open-toe sewing machine foot. Sewing machine needle according to thread manufacturer. Thanks for watching.